Even that 12 to 12:30 is the permissible time. Is it? Is it? Is it a permissible time to play a music even till 12 to 12:30? Is it? Is it? What is the permissible time? What is the permissible time? You tell me, being a manager here, you know, no? Is it? We are giving you a chance, but the only and the last chance. If that happens again, if it comes to me, I'll come with something bad out. I'm really sure about that.
Because you don't live by that.
No, you said 12 to 12:30, right? Is that the permissible time? Is that the permissible time?
Permissible to play at that time?
Even that 12 to 12:30 is the permissible time. Is it? Is it?
Maybe not.
You just confirm me that. Is it? No. Is it a permissible time to play a music even till 12 to 12:30? Is it?
Up to 12 we can.
Is it? What is the permissible time? What is the permissible time? You tell me, being a manager here, you know, no? Is it? You have the permission to play by 12:30 or by 12.
Normally music.
Is it a permissible time? Is it a permissible time? You own on your set that you played the music last night by 12 to 12:30. मैं ऐसे बाउंसर साइड ही चला, माझा हात दुखला त्याला मारा काय मारतो ना?
No, Wednesday you played.
Is it a permissible time to play loud music after 10 o'clock? Is it? You on your own set you played the loud music last night by 12:30, right? Is it a permissible time?
I am not aware.
Why you being a manager here? Get lost. Go. Move.
I think maybe we should try our discussion.
Next time.
ना एक मिनट नेक्स्ट से बंद कर रहे हो? कब से बंद कर रहे हो? By what time? What is no you're managing this place, sir. Listen. No. This music travels. If you want to run out this place for the whole night, have a sound control thing. Have a proper sound console and a soundproofing thing.
Right.
We have no issues till the sound comes out. You dance out there, you run out there, you die out there. We have no issues.
Sure.
But after 10, if this continues,
Noted, sir. Noted. Absolutely. It won't get it.
I came here with bare
You
hands.
can take.
I will come here with something in my hand.
You can take.
Just don't tell me.
It won't happen.
Please, sir.
Because you are suffering.
Because we are our down business. 25 years I am making business over here. These guys, these people, they are coming here long time. Means 10 years, every year they are coming here. They are staying one month. But don't do like this because I also
You are suffering out of it.
I am also local.
You have no right to make them suffer. They come here to relax.
I'm not doing anything like that.
You are doing it.
Whatever happened, I'm sorry, man.
Okay,
for that.
okay,
It won't
okay.
get
Next time,
repeated.
sir. Next time,
Give
please,
me a
sir.
chance.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
We are giving you a chance, but the only and the last chance. If that happens again, if it comes to me, I'll come with something bad out. I'm really sure about that. And I don't really care whoever you call, whoever calls and whatever you call. I don't care.
No, guys.
I
If
think
my
we
people
will
are,
behave.
if my local, if my local people are suffering, I'll be like suffering.
No, you can grow your business. We don't mind.
We have no issues.
Huh?
Do the soundproofing. Have a soundproofing. Have a club here. We have no issues. The only thing that sound shouldn't come out of it.
People also like music. But don't disturb other people. Please, sir. You can.
I have no issues.
I don't have any problem.
Been to Tito's?
Huh?
You've been to Tito's? Been to Tito's? In the around the vicinity of the discotheque, outside of the wall, in the restaurant, you have no sound coming out. Go ahead this way. you run out for 24 hours, they have no issues. If the sound travels with the air, to the person, your people who are making the business, it will be very bad for you. I'll being very strict and being very frank about it.
Right.
Whoever speak to us should be responsible about it.
Okay, sir. Okay. And last thing, Mr. Manoj has already explained you the way we are affected. As a member of Noise Pollution Control Committee, it's my duty to inform you that you are bound to take permission. And I have learned, I have verified that you have not obtained any permission. See, this may be the last opportunity. From tomorrow you have stated that you are going to be within a control. But I also request you to go and apply for the permission from Deputy Collector. If you are well aware about it, then it's okay. If not, then I am giving you some more information. Otherwise, the next time
tomorrow is Sunday, day after tomorrow, Monday, whatever.
But second thing, apart from telling this, I am also informing you that this is a silent zone. You are not allowed to play the music till after 10, even not in the before 10. But that's a separate issue. But as of
that license.
So you have to get the license. Then for the 15 days dinner point. That doesn't don't take us for granted.
No, sir, not at all.
We hope that you are given assurance.
This will be done on an immediate basis on Monday.